Bread Financial Amex Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you've been on the hunt for a new credit card in 2025, chances are you've seen the Bread Financial Amex pop up in your search, promising flexible financing options, digital-first convenience, and American Express backing. It sounds like the perfect card for everyday use, but is it really worth it? Or should you leave it behind? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the Bread Financial Amex, breaking down its features, fees, rewards, and who it's really designed for. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear picture of whether this card belongs in your wallet or not. Most people focus solely on the promotional offers or the brand name, but there's a lot more to consider. Interest rates, reward structure, hidden fees, and digital features can all make a huge difference in your experience. Miss one of these, and you could end up with a card that doesn't fit your financial lifestyle. We'll cover all of that, plus real-world examples of how this card works day to day. What is the Bread Financial Amex? The Bread Financial Amex is a credit card issued in partnership with American Express and Bread Financial, a financial technology company that specializes in consumer lending solutions. Unlike traditional credit cards that focus primarily on rewards points or cashback, the Bread Financial Amex emphasizes flexible financing options, allowing cardholders to split purchases into manageable installments. This feature is particularly attractive for people who want the convenience of a credit card without the pressure of paying large balances at once. The card also integrates with a mobile-first experience, enabling cardholders to track spending, manage payments, and access account features directly from the app. Key features. 1. Flexible financing options. Choose to pay for purchases over time with installment plans. 2. American Express network. Accepted wherever Amex is accepted, with all the benefits of the Amex network. 3. Digital first experience. Complete control of your account through the Bread Financial app. 4. No annual fee. Keep your costs low with no yearly charge. 5. Promotional offers. Occasionally offers 0% APRA promotions on certain purchases or balance transfers. 6. Credit building opportunities. Regular reporting to credit bureaus can help improve your credit score when used responsibly. How it works. The standout feature of the Bread Financial Amex is its flexible financing options. When you make a purchase, the app may allow you to split it into fixed monthly installments. For example, if you buy a $600 item, you might have the option to pay it over 6 months at a fixed interest rate rather than paying the entire balance at the statement due date. This is different from traditional credit cards, which generally only require a minimum monthly payment, while carrying the remaining balance forward with standard APRA. Bread Financial's approach gives you a predictable payment schedule and can help prevent debt from spiraling out of control, assuming you choose your installment plan wisely. Pros. What makes the Bread Financial Amex attractive? 1. Flexible financing makes large purchases manageable. If you need to buy something expensive, but don't want to pay it all at once, this card allows you to break it into smaller, manageable payments. This is especially useful for unexpected expenses, seasonal shopping, or home improvements. 2. No annual fee. Many credit cards, with financing features or digital convenience, charge annual fees. Bread Financial Amex keeps costs low with no yearly charge, making it easier for cardholders to use the card regularly without worrying about a hidden cost. 3. Digital management. The mobile app is intuitive and provides full account control. You can view balances, track installment plans, make payments, and even set up alerts for due dates. This makes financial management simpler, especially if you prefer to handle your money entirely from your phone. 4. American Express benefits. As an Amex card, you get access to some perks such as purchase protection, dispute resolution, and acceptance at millions of merchants worldwide. While it doesn't carry all premium Amex benefits like travel insurance or airport lounge access, it still comes with the security and reliability of the American Express network. 5. Helps build or improve credit. When used responsibly, Bread Financial reports to the major credit bureaus. That means timely payments can improve your credit score over time, making it a good choice for someone building credit or looking to recover from past credit missteps. Cons. What to watch out for. 1. Interest rates can be high ***. While flexible financing is convenient, the APR installment plans can be higher than traditional credit cards for short-term balances. It's crucial to read the terms carefully before committing to a plan. Some promotional offers may feature 0% APR for a limited time, but once that ends, interest rates can jump significantly. ***2. Limited rewards ***. Unlike cashback or travel-focused credit cards, the Bread Financial Amex doesn't offer significant rewards points or cashback incentives. If earning rewards is your primary goal, this might not be the best card. ***3. Amex acceptance limitations ***. While American Express is widely accepted in the US, it's still less accepted than Visa or MasterCard at some small businesses or international locations. If you travel frequently, this could be a drawback. **4. Potential fees for late payments ***. Missed payments or failed installment plan payments can result in late fees, which could offset the convenience of flexible financing. Responsible usage is essential to avoid unnecessary costs. Real-world example. Imagine you're shopping online for a $1,200 laptop. With the Bread Financial Amex, you can select a 6-month installment plan. Assuming a 15% APR for the plan, your monthly payments would be predictable, and you wouldn't have to wait until the end of your billing cycle to make a large lump sum payment. Compare that to a traditional credit card, where you might only pay the minimum of $50, $100 per month. The remaining balance accrues interest at the card's standard APR, potentially costing you hundreds more over time. Bread Financial's installment structure offers transparency and a clear repayment timeline. Who should consider the Bread Financial Amex? Individuals who make occasional large purchases and want predictable monthly payments. People who prefer a mobile-first, digital banking experience. Consumers looking to build or improve credit while managing debt responsibly. Those who want the reliability and benefits of the American Express network without paying an annual fee. Who might want to look elsewhere. Frequent travelers seeking premium Amex perks like airport lounge access. Consumers focused on maximizing rewards points or cashback. People who prefer traditional credit cards with extensive branch support or in-person service. The surprising truth about Bread Financial Amex. Many assume that installment credit cards are automatically better than traditional cards, but that's not always the case. The flexibility of installment plans is helpful, but it can also encourage overspending if you are not careful. The true benefit lies in the predictability of payments and the ability to manage larger purchases without facing a massive end-of-month bill. Another truth is that this card is not a high-reward or luxury card. It's built for practicality and financial control, not for earning airline miles or cashback bonuses. Understanding this distinction is key to making an informed choice. Fees and costs. Bread Financial Amex does not charge an annual fee. Standard late payment fees, returned payment fees, and interest on installment plans are the primary costs. There are no foreign transaction fees, making it convenient for occasional international use, though you should verify acceptance in your destination country due to Amex limited global footprint compared to Visa or MasterCard. Security. Bread Financial leverages American Express robust security infrastructure. Features include encryption, fraud monitoring, two-factor authentication, and zero liability protection for unauthorized charges. The combination of Amex security and app-based alerts ensures that your account is well protected. Final verdict. Worth it or leave it? In 2025, the Bread Financial Amex is worth considering if you value flexible financing, a digital-first experience, and no annual fees. Its strengths are its installment plan options, mobile account management, and credit-building potential. However, if your primary goal is earning rewards, traveling internationally frequently, or gaining premium perks, other cards may be a better fit. This card excels at providing financial control and predictable payments, not at maximizing points or luxury benefits. Key takeaway. The Bread Financial Amex is ideal for consumers who want simplicity, control, and predictable repayment options on large purchases. If that aligns with your financial goals, this card can be a valuable tool in your wallet. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth financial content, and leave a comment below about which credit cards you'd like us to review next. Making informed choices now can save you stress, money, and frustration in the future.